Students, today we will discuss about the nutrition and digestion lecture 2, macronutrients and micronutrients. Here you can see the food items from which you can obtain carbohydrates, fats and proteins. That includes vegetables, fruits, dairy items, milk, cheese, butter and eggs, meat, barley, potatoes, macaronis. Carbohydrates, carbon and energy from sugar and starches. Major dietary sources of energy. Various types of carbohydrates are present, that is monosaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharides. Mono includes the glucose, oligo includes the sucrose and polysaccharide includes the starches and cellulose. Cellulose is a dietary fiber that is present in the food obtained from the plants, that assists in the passage of the food and just prevent the risk of cancer in the colon. Fecal elimination will be easy if you have cellulose intake. Carbohydrates. So here are the sources. You can develop the. Now enjoy the season of banana, apple and almonds. Lipids. Lipids are highly compact energy storage nutrients. Lipids are the most concentrated source of food energy. Neutral lipids or triglycerides are contained in fats and oils, meat, dairy products, nuts, some fruits, vegetables. High in fats such as avocados. Avocado is a fruit. So these fatty acids used in synthesis of sterols. Sterols are basic components of your hormones. Cholesterol. Steroid hormones involved in reproduction in your sugar and salt balance. Help maintain a constant temperature also. Food high in fat, that is cheese, butter, chocolate, nuts, avocados, fatty meat and fish. Proteins. Basic to the structure and function of cells, that is animal proteins are present in the cell membrane. As lipid bilayer have the protein embedding. Sources are animal and milk. Plant sources include bean, peas and nuts. Proteins are needed for their amino acids, essential amino acids. Heterotrophs used to build their own body proteins. There are two types of amino acids, essential and non-essential. Essential amino acids are not produced by your own body and non-essential produced by your own body. So your enzymes also are of protein. Your hormones also are of protein. Here are the protein sources, include the dates, shrimps, seafoods, eggs, almonds, beans, walnuts, spinach, palak, milk, salmon, that is fish, chicken and lentils, cheese, avocados, beef, mushrooms present in your pizza. Then here are food fats, carbohydrates, lipids and proteins. Carbohydrate will be converted into glucose, then will go into glycolysis and will convert into acetyl coenzyme A, lead to Krebs cycle and carbon compounds. Then B, lipids. Lipids are neutral fats, glycerol, steroids and they may go to fatty acid and steroid hormones. Then fatty acid will go to other lipids in the animals and may be converted into acetyl coenzyme A and then into Krebs cycle. Proteins. Proteins give rise to amino acid and these amino acids are used by the animal, also produce an nitrogenous waste and acetyl coenzyme A, then Krebs cycle and then electron transport chain and ATP production. Here are some values, calories present in the carbohydrates, lipids and proteins. So you can take 4.1 gram 4.1 calories per gram by the carbohydrates, 9.3 calories per gram by the lipids, and 4.4 by the proteins. So you can see that lipid is almost double source of energy as compared to carbohydrates and the proteins. Micronutrients. Micronutrients usually in the small amounts required, and organic vitamins, inorganic minerals that include the potassium, sodium, calcium, and organic vitamins are vitamin B, D, K, so molecules for enzymatic reactions, and they act as cofactor for the different working of enzymes, and they may be certain part of protein, copper in the hemocyanin, iron in the hemoglobin. Then here are different type of amino acids, different types of vitamins and vitamins and minerals. Here are physiological role of the essential minerals animals require in large amount, and some physiological role of trace elements in the animals, trace minerals: calcium, chlorine, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, sodium, sulfur. Calcium is component of bone and blood clotting, needed for muscular contraction, neuronal action. Chlorine is present in the HCl, present in the neuronal membrane. Magnesium is cofactor for the enzymes, needed for muscular contraction, neuronal action. Potassium for the bones, blood plasma, energy metabolism. Phosphorus is in the ATP, DNA, RNA, and excitability or contraction of muscles. Sodium is present in the neuronal membrane and maintain the aquatic balance, osmotic balance in the cell. Sulfur is component of different type of proteins. Then some minerals, that is cobalt, present in the vitamin B12 and RBC's production. Copper is present in the hemoglobin synthesis and present in the cytochrome. Fluorine is bone and teeth. Iodine in thyroid hormone. Iron in the hemoglobin, myoglobin and cytochromes. Manganese in the enzymatic activity and present in the urea cycle formation. Molybdenum is present in the some enzymes. Selenium in fat metabolism, and zinc in 70 enzymes needed for heating and fertilization. Zinc deficiency leads to infertility. Minerals. Some minerals are needed in relatively large amount, and these are called essential minerals or macro minerals. That is sodium required for nerve and muscle action, potassium for nerve and muscle action, calcium for muscles, phosphorus for bones and trace element, zinc for fertilization. Here are alkaline minerals: calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium and manganese. That calcium can be obtained from spinach, celery, mustard greens, avocados, kale. Magnesium from avocados, dill, cocoa, basil. Cocoa is your chocolate. Then iron from pumpkin seeds, kale, broccoli, spinach, that is your palak. Then potassium is from coconut water, नारियल का तेल पियो, avocados, tomatoes and figs. Magnesium from cinnamon, that is darchini, garlic and turmeric. Vitamins. Vitamins is a general term for number of chemically unregulated organic substances that occur in many food in small amounts and are necessary for normal metabolic function. That includes vitamins are of two types: water soluble and fat soluble. Water soluble are B and C, fat soluble A, D, E and K. Vitamin A sources include the peach, meat, apricot, cheese, eggs, sweet potato, broccoli, carrots, avocados and melon, pumpkin. Vitamin B. B source include avocados, bread, meat, eggs, cheese, mushrooms, tomatoes, soy milk, yogurt, chicken, nuts and carrot. Vitamin C from sour fruits, strawberry, papaya, guava, sweet pepper, kiwi, grapefruit, oranges. Vitamin D. Here are vitamin D deficiency symptoms and also sources. That is cod liver oil, fish, meat, milk, eggs, and the deficiency include overweight, mood swings, mood change हो जाता है आपका, high blood pressure, dry skin, digestive problems, fatigue, joint pain, and immune impairment, excessive sweating. It means that today we have crisis in the corona. So just take your vitamins intake and avoid corona. Vitamin E sources includes olives, avocados, almonds, spinach, kale, and nuts. Vitamin K sources tomato, fish, cauliflower, spinach, broccoli, pumpkin, lettuce, green peas, and avocados. Water soluble minerals include thiamine, B1, B2, nicotinic acid, B6, pantothenic acid, and cyanocobalamin. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B characteristics is destroyed by heat and oxygen. Then function is part of coenzyme. Sources include the liver, eggs, wholes, grains. Vitamin B2 is stable to heat, acid, destroyed by alkalis and light. That is part of enzyme, coenzyme for oxidation, and glucose and fatty acid for cellular growth. Sources include the meat, dairy products, leafy green vegetables. Nicotinic acid is stable to heat and alkaline items converted to niacinamide by cells and synthesized from tryptophan. Then part of coenzyme needed for oxidation of glucose and synthesis of protein, fats, and nucleic acid obtained from liver, meat, poultry, peanuts, and legumes. Basics is a group of compounds stable to heat and acids that coenzyme needed for synthesis of proteins, various amino acids, and conversion of tryptophan into niacin. Sources: liver, meat, fish, poultry, bananas, avocados, peanuts. Pantothenic acid that is destroyed by heat and acids, part of coenzyme needed for oxidation of carbohydrates and fats. Sources: fish, meat, grain, cereals, legumes. Then B12 is complex cobalt containing compound, part of coenzyme needed for synthesis of nucleic acid and for metabolism of carbohydrates. Sources are liver, meat, fish, milk, cheese, and eggs. Fat soluble vitamin A, D, E, K. Sources include liver, fish, milk, and function is survival of animal, that is synthesis of visual pigments, mucoproteins, and mucopolysaccharides. Characteristics: synthesized from keratin, stored in liver, and stable in heat. Vitamin D, a group of sterols resistant to heat and stored in liver, skin, spleen, and bones. Functions: promote absorption of calcium and phosphorus, promote development of teeth and bones. Sources: produced by the skin when exposed to sunlight, milk, egg yolk, fish liver oil, fortified foods. Vitamin E, a group of compounds resistant to heat, visible light, antioxidant, prevent oxidation of vitamin A, polyunsaturated fatty acid, and sources includes oil from cereals, seeds, and salad. Vitamin K is resistant to heat, destroyed by acids, alkalis, and light, stored in liver. Function includes synthesis of prothrombin needed for blood clotting, and sources include leafy green vegetable, egg yolk, soy oil, tomatoes, and cauliflower.